Hello everyone, welcome back to the Auto UK. Imagine a vehicle that combines the freedom of cycling with the comfort of a camper. The 2027 RoamRunner Camper Tricycle is precisely that, a groundbreaking fusion of mobility and minimalism. This innovative tricycle is redefining the way we think about travel, offering a unique solution for those seeking adventure without sacrificing the comforts of home. The RoamRunner is not just a tricycle, it's a mobile living space designed for the modern nomad. Its sleek design and compact form factor make it ideal for navigating both urban environments and off-the-beaten-path trails. The tricycle's electric assist system ensures that riders can cover significant distances with ease, making long journeys more accessible than ever before. At the heart of the RoamRunner is its electric powertrain. Equipped with a 750-watt motor, the tricycle provides ample power to tackle various terrains. The motor is powered by a 15.0 kWh battery, offering a range of over 150 miles on a single charge. This impressive range ensures that adventurers can explore remote locations without the constant worry of recharging. The tricycle's frame is constructed from lightweight yet durable materials, striking a balance between strength and agility. Its three-wheel configuration provides stability, while the suspension system absorbs shocks from uneven surfaces, ensuring a smooth ride. The RoamRunner's design prioritizes both functionality and aesthetics, making it a head-turner on any road. One of the most remarkable features of the RoamRunner is its integrated camper module. This compact living space is ingeniously designed to maximize comfort within a limited footprint. Inside, you'll find a convertible dinette that transforms into a cozy bed, a kitchenette equipped with an induction cooktop and sink, and ample storage compartments for personal belongings. The camper module also boasts a 500-watt solar panel system on its roof, harnessing renewable energy to power onboard appliances and charge the battery. This eco-friendly approach aligns with the growing trend of sustainable travel, allowing users to minimize their environmental impact while enjoying the great outdoors. Connectivity is another area where the RoamRunner excels. The vehicle comes equipped with a smart control system accessible via a dedicated mobile app. This app allows users to monitor battery levels, control interior lighting, and even adjust climate settings remotely. Additionally, the RoamRunner offers optional Starlink internet connectivity, ensuring that travelers can stay connected no matter where their journey takes them. Safety has not been overlooked in the RoamRunner's design. The tricycle features integrated LED lighting for visibility, hydraulic disc brakes for reliable stopping power, and a robust frame that provides protection in case of an accident. These features work together to provide peace of mind for riders venturing into unfamiliar territories. The RoamRunner's versatility extends beyond recreational use. Its modular interior design allows for customization, making it suitable for various applications. Whether you're a digital nomad seeking a mobile office, an artist looking for an inspiring workspace, or someone in need of a compact living solution, the RoamRunner can be tailored to meet your specific needs. Affordability is another key aspect of the RoamRunner's appeal. With a starting price of $30,000, it offers a cost-effective alternative to traditional RVs and camper vans. This price point includes the base tricycle and camper module, with additional customization options available for those seeking enhanced features. The RoamRunner's classification as a bicycle in many jurisdictions means that it can be operated without a special license, and it often enjoys access to bike lanes and trails. This classification opens up new possibilities for travel, allowing users to explore areas that are off-limits to larger vehicles. Despite its many advantages, the RoamRunner is not without its limitations. Its compact size means that space is at a premium, and it may not be suitable for families or those requiring extensive living quarters. Additionally, its reliance on electric power necessitates access to charging infrastructure, which may be limited in some remote areas. Nevertheless, the RoamRunner represents a significant step forward in the evolution of personal transportation and mobile living. Its innovative design, sustainable features, and adaptability make it an attractive option for a wide range of users. The 2027 RoamRunner Camper Tricycle is more than just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle choice. It embodies the spirit of adventure, the pursuit of freedom, and the desire for sustainable living. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country journey or seeking a unique way to experience the world around you, the RoamRunner offers a compelling solution that challenges conventional notions of travel and habitation.